Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Cookies 2021 presentation for our new first grade troop. This video is intended to teach you a little bit about selling Girl Scout cookies. If you have never done so before, this will introduce you to everything. If you've already sold Girl Scout cookies before, this will just help to refresh your memory on a few key things. Okay, the first thing I want to talk about are some important dates. The first date that you want to be aware of is December 11th. On December 11th, or around December 11th, you should expect to get a welcome email to your email, your parent email that you signed up with in the Girl Scout website. And this will be about registering your Girl Scout on their digital cookie website. The digital cookie website is the online platform that your Girl Scout will use to sell Girl Scout cookies. On December 15th, you can officially begin taking orders. So that is when your digital cookie website will be live and active. And this is also when you can begin taking orders in person as well. On January 16th, all paper card orders will need to be delivered to me, and the money that you collected will need to be given to Trisha or Melissa. So this is on January 16th, and this is only for orders that you take physically on the paper order card or that you've collected cash for. On January 19th, girl delivered cookie orders will end. So that means after January 19th, only cookies ordered after that can be shipped. On January 19th, they can no longer select on the website girl delivered orders. On February 6th will be the cookie pickup from my house. I will get all the cookies, sort them by Girl Scout, and you will come pick up your cookies from me on February 6th. These are going to be the girl delivered orders that we received, and these are the ones that you will be bringing to your family and friends' houses. On March 20th, online sales will close. So I think one kind of confusing thing is a lot of people think that Girl Scout cookie ordering ends in January, but in fact, from January 19th to March 20th, you can still sell Girl Scout cookies, but it's just shipped cookies only. So you can't physically deliver the cookies. You can only ship them to people's houses. Okay, just so you are aware, there is a new Girl Scout cookie this year. It's called Adventurefuls. It's kind of like a brownie type cookie with caramel cream inside. Both Melissa and I have tried it, and it was pretty good. So you might get some questions about that. If you're new to Girl Scout cookies in general and you don't know anything about the cookies, if you just search Meet the Cookies on the Girl Scout website, you can read all about the other cookies as well. All right, since I know a lot of you are new to Girl Scouts and selling cookies, I'm going to go over the digital cookie website a little with you now. If you've already set up a digital cookie website, this may be review information for you. Okay, so to set up your digital cookie website, it's pretty easy. You'll look for that registration email that you will get to the email that you registered your Girl Scout with. It looks very similar to what you see in that picture. Once you click that link, you will begin by creating a password and a login, and you will, oh, by the way, the sender is going to say something about Girl Scout cookies. So right around December 11th, if you don't see it, maybe check your spam folder because I have seen it go in there before. Once you create a password and a login, you'll have to watch a safety video and click some approve on the terms and conditions. And then you will register your girls for their websites. So if you just have one daughter, you're just registering the one. If you have multiple, that's where you would sign them up. Once you've registered, you'll probably work with your Girl Scout to help set up your cookie website. You can set goals and targets. For the first grade troop, we don't have any specific numbers in mind. We just want you guys to have fun, and it's very low stress. So there's no goal in mind on our end. You will write your cookie story, which is just basically putting in some information about your girls and what they hope to get from Girl Scouts. If you want, you can put a photo or a video in there. This can be, you can generate it, and it can be a personal photo or video, or there are some made Girl Scout ones if you don't want to put your picture or video or your child's picture or video on there. And then you will approve and publish your website, and they will give you a link, and then that link you will send out to your family and friends. Okay, so starting December 15th is when you can start inviting customers. So they give you a few days to set it up. You can invite customers two different ways. You can add or import them right into the website by putting in their email address. And once you do that, you get the option of sending them some marketing emails. So the marketing emails will come from your Girl Scout, but they're pre-made. And then there's 3 different types depending on where it is in the cookie season. Or you can also get your specific URL to your Girl Scouts cookies website. And you can, as of December 15th, you can post that to social media, you can share it via email, and it'll take them directly to your Girl Scouts website, and they can order directly from your Girl Scout. On the digital cookie website, you will have a goal tracker, so it'll show you how many goals you've sold or how many cookies you've sold and how close you are to a goal if you set one for yourself. It'll also tell you about how many people have opened your email, how many people have ordered that you sent emails to. So if you want, you can send them follow-up emails in a couple weeks if they have not ordered cookies. One thing you will have to do when you go to the digital cookie website, if somebody orders cookies from your website and selects Girl Delivered, you have to approve the delivery. So you have to say, okay, I will deliver to this person. So, for example, if somebody says Girl Delivered, but they're in California, you would probably deny that in-person delivery. And then their only other option is to have it shipped to them. So that is one thing you have to do. You have to go in and say approve and give them permission for you to deliver it. Also, on the cookie orders tab on your website, you will see a list of your customers, and it will separate them by whose order you will have to deliver and then whose orders are shipped. So you can see all of the orders you have on the cookie website. Okay, at our next meeting, I will be giving you a paper order card. If you have ever seen a Girl Scout selling Girl Scout cookies from like 5+ years ago, you've probably seen one of these before. There's pictures of all the cookies on them, and there's just rows for you to write in your customer and what cookies they want and how much money they've given you. So this is where you would physically be writing on the paper and collecting cash from your customers. And these paper order cards can be done until about January 16th if you want, and then you will have to bring the money to Trisha or Melissa, and you'll have to give a summary of the cookies you ordered on paper to me by January 16th. All right, one thing I wanted to remind you about the paper order card. Sometimes people want to order it in person with cash and paper order card because they don't want to pay for shipping. And just reminding them that they can still order via the website and click Girl Delivered, and then they don't have to pay for shipping is still a good thing. I find the paper order card kind of stressful and collecting all that cash kind of stressful. So I try to push the website because I just think it's a little bit easier to keep track of. Another thing you can do if you have some customers that aren't able to navigate the website, maybe you have some older people that just want to hand you cash and tell you what they want, but you don't necessarily want to handle the cash or worry about the paper order card. You can input their orders into Digital Cookie yourself. So it's almost like you are buying their cookies for them. So I did this last year and a couple other moms did it. So I kept their cash and then I went into Digital Cookie and I placed an order as myself. And then to remember whose order was whose, you always have to place a shipping address in no matter what. So instead of putting my address in the shipping, I put theirs. So I remembered that I didn't place 5 different cookie orders for me. I placed them for these different people. So if this is something that interests you and you do have paper order cards, but you don't want to hold on to them, just let me know and I can help you do this if you would like. Okay, sometimes you will get questions about the cost of shipping and how long does it take to ship. So I will go over that or what I know about that now. So this is the cost for last year. So I'm not sure if they're the same or if they increased, but you get a little idea. It's not really cheap to get the cookies shipped, and most orders arrive between 5 and 10 business days. Okay, hopefully this video helped introduce you to Girl Scout cookies and the cookies website a little bit. But as always, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, text me, or call me, and I will be happy to help you. Also, at our next meeting on December 7th, I will be there with your cookie folders with information in there, and you can ask me any questions you might have.